What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy Crypto Chat here. Thank you for tuning into another video. And today, I just want to make a video. I haven't made a video in a while. We're gonna go talk about the market, little market update, kind of my strategy. So let's go take a look here. The Bitcoin chart. So basically, guys, as you've seen, Bitcoin has kind of bottomed out in the last week, last several days, and at the bottom here, we had a couple little events here. So we had these two huge candles at the bottom that came in, you know. Then we had another one the next day. Then we had this today, and it's kind of fallen at. We're at 66.47 right now, which is really good actually. We're above this level, so you can still see we are making higher lows in this trend in the 4-hour chart at least. So right now would be possibly a buying opportunity. I think it's going to dip lower, and the volatility, I mean not the volatility, the volume is going to drop off a little bit as we come into the future here, and only time will tell if we're going to have another Bart Simpson candle up or we're going to have another candle down. So that's the question. In recent history here, we've had several Bart Simpson candles up, but if we go down to the 1-hour chart, and these movements really happen, you know, within 5 or within 3 minutes. So you can see the 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we just had this little Bart down. So, and then we kind of we almost rebounded exactly back to where we started with that. But it looks like we're just going to test and just kind of slowly move along. Again, if we're going to go look at the dailies and stuff, guys, look, we're still in the bear trend. We're still in a bear trend, and we haven't even crossed this area. I mean, once we cross $7,000, that is going to be huge if we do cross $7,000. But right now, there's a lot of support at the 6,900 to seven. You know, from basically where we are right now to $7,000, and then after that, 7,001, 7,002 is pretty stacked with some support. So anyway, I think we're gonna possibly we're either gonna blow right through 7,000, you guys, or we are going to hit 7 and drop back down. But you can see right here, so right before, we basically have to cross 6,849. We got up to 6,776. So you can see there's a little doubling right here. Not a double top, a little double top on the bottom. And again, I'm not a trader. I'm not a crypto expert. I'm not a financial expert. I'm just someone who's very passionate about crypto. So none of this is financial advice. But anyway, what I'm expecting is, you know, if we get another little BART up, the altcoins are going to boom even further. So let's just take a look at the altcoin market. First of all, this is kind of low volume. Usually it's about 14 billion, 15 billion. The dominance has dropped from the 42 something to 41.8, not all that much. It's been fluctuating back and forth all day. Let's reload that. There we go. Yeah, 41.6. And the market cap has slightly risen, but not by much. And you can see Bitcoin is climbing back up again right now, so that's good. And look at that. I don't know why it says 59% on Ethos. Ethos did not go up 59% today. It went up maybe 15%. But anyway, yeah, you guys. Also, altcoins. What coins are we watching? So watching Neo. Bought some Neo at the bottom, and if you bought Neo at the bottom, it's about 40% gain already on the 40,000 Satoshi level, because Neo's around I think the 62,000 Satoshi. Yeah, 63,000 Satoshi. It was at 64 on Binance. But yeah, Neo is a coin that I'm watching, just waiting on how high that will go. But honestly, if you guys bought anything at the bottom there, you've made some decent gains. And right now, I'm just trying to figure out what other altcoins I'm going to put my money into. Try to leverage and get some more Bitcoin. Cardano was something I was watching. I made a couple positions in Cardano and got out, just made a quick profit. Ethereum Classic, you guys, is another one on the horizon. I mean, whenever Coinbase adds that, I think it's going to dump possibly when Coinbase adds it because, you know, buy the hype, sell the news. But you know what? ETC is a good long-term one, mining that right now. Binance Coin is really falling back, really having a good pullback, and we'll see. For now, Binance is just going to continue to fall. But we'll just let's take a further look at Binance here. Markets. Let's go take a look. So let's just take a look at the 1 month, and we had that huge run up, but now it looks like we had a little double top action, and we're just coming back down, and we're going to continue to come down. It looks like on Binance, so I would not get into Binance right now. However, if you're going long term, you don't care about losing money short term, go on to Binance. Why not? But then again, you guys are gonna do your own research, all that shit. This is not financial or professional or trading advice or any of that shit. Anyway, Zcash also pretty good low prices. We saw a pump a couple months ago. It went up to like 0.045 satoshis. Not satoshis, but Bitcoin. So that's pretty good. And then, yeah, you guys, honestly, a lot of the stuff is in really, really good buying magnitude order right now. A lot of the stuff's really looking good, but I'm really looking for them gems. And Walton, I think, is pretty low. I'm not sure when Walton will have its rise back up again, but it's quite low. So I was watching Walton, waiting to go back under 10,000 satoshis again. But yeah, guys, that's just the crypto markets right now. It's cool that we finally had a little relief rally after, all this right here. Basically, from May to July, 2 months of just bearishness. And usually Bitcoin operates, so you can see March was actually selling, April was buying. You can see, let's get all this crap out of here. You can see February was a lot of buying. You can see March was all selling. So we are overdue. So either we are going to, since we had too much selling, we're going to really come back up higher, maybe around these levels in Bitcoin. Try it out. Or the market is just running out of steam, and we're going to come up, maybe double top over here, and just come down even further. I expect the price of Bitcoin to go down further. I suspect this is not the beginning of the next bull market, but I suspect that this is just a temporary relief rally so that some of us can get some profits that we haven't been able to get for over 2 months now. But anyway, guys, that's all I got to say on the market. I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe if you're new. Let me know what's up in the comment section, and I'll see you guys later.